Hi students, in this class I am going to tell you analogy. What is analogy? There is similar relation between two pairs of words or two pairs of letters or two pairs of numbers. Here take an example. EG is to FI and FH is to dash. We have to find here this blank using the relationship between EG is to FI. Okay, that means whatever relation between these two letters, these two letters are some anything, numbers or words, anything, we have to use the same relationship between here also to find this blank. Now you also know what is the number of E? 5. What is the number of G? 7. Take the codes. I also told in the earlier class G is 7 is to F fix 6, I that is 9. Okay, 9. Now 5 plus 1 6 and 7 plus 2 9. So here if we add 1, the number 6 is we will get 6. If we add 2, we will get 9. So here also we use the same reason. F fix 6 H. By adding this is 8. Now plus 1, 6 plus 1 7, plus 2 is 10. What is the 7th letter? You know, G. And what is the 10th letter? J. Okay, 1 0 10. Now the answer is GJ. Okay, fine. Take another example. AG is to IO and EK is to dash. Now A as 1 and G 7, I 9, O August 15. Now 1 plus 8 is 9 and 7 plus 8 is 15. So we have to add 8 both these numbers to both these numbers. So the similar relation, same relation we have to use here also. That means we have to add 8 for these numbers. What is the number? E 5, K same line, same numbers 11. Now 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 13. Observe M. 19. S. Okay, MS is the answer. Okay, MS is the answer. Now take third example. ACE is to FHJ proportion to OQS is to dash. Now 1 3 5 is to 6 8, J means 10. Now if we add 1 and if we add 5 to 1, we will get 6. So 1 plus 5 6 and 3 plus 5 8. Here also 5 plus 5 10. So to these three numbers we have to add 5. Then the answers are 6 8 10. Using this O, August 15. Q, 17. S, 19. That means S, 19. Okay. Now, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. So 15 plus 5, 20. 17 plus 5, 22. This is 24. Okay. Now 20, T20, T20, T letter. 22, same numbers means V. Yes. 24, that is X. TVX is the answer. Okay, fine. So answer is TVX. Take another one. Take another one. Fourth one. B is to 16 and D is to dash. B, what is B? What is the number? So 2 is to 16. 2 8s are 16. Here 4 8s are. So 4 8s are 32. 32 letter. What is the 32 letter? No. Only number you have to write, na? Okay. Fine. So the answer is 32. Whether 32 is in the options, you have to fill this blank with 32. Otherwise, if it is not in the options, then you have to try another reason. For another reason, take 2 and 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. 2 power 4 is 16. Now take 4 power 4, that is 4 into 4 into 4 in, okay, 4 power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 16s are 256. So answer is 256. Okay. Likewise, you have to check the options whether the answer is in the options or not. And take another one. Film FILM ADGH. And here I will write MILK dash F 6 I 9 L 12 M 13 A 1 D means 4, G means 7, H means 8. Okay. Observe, if we subtract 5, 6 minus 5, then we will get 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. Oh, nice. 12 minus 5, 7. 13 minus 5, 8. So use this reason. M 13, I 9 and L 12, K 11. Same number, same lines. L 12. So subtract 13 minus 5, 8, and 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 5, 7. 11 minus 5, 6. 8 H, 4 D, 7 G, F 6. So answer is H D G F. Okay. So likewise you can try the some other problems. Thank you.